Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is custom settings, list custom settings, hierarchy custom settings, and we'll see key differences between list and hierarchy. Custom settings in Salesforce are similar to custom objects and enable application developers to create custom sets of data that can be reused across the organization. They are particularly useful for storing configuration data that we want to make available to the entire organization or for specific users or profiles. There are two types of custom settings, list custom settings and hierarchy custom settings. In both the settings, list custom setting and hierarchy custom settings provide a way to store configuration data that can be accessed across our organization. List custom settings. Purpose. List custom settings are used to store reusable data that can be accessed across our entire organization. Suitable for storing list of data such as configuration settings that apply to all user or organizational units. Access. They are accessible to everyone in the organization. The data is not tied to specific users, profiles or roles. Structure. We define the fields in the custom setting object just like with a custom object. Each record in the list custom setting represent a unique set of data. Data management. We manage data through the Salesforce setup menu, Apex APIs or data loader tools. All records are accessible via code regardless of the user or context. Example, storing a list of API keys, URLs or other configuration data that applies globally. Accessing a list custom setting. So how we are going to access a list custom setting? Here we had created list of my list custom settings to my list custom settings dot get all function dot values function. Then for my list custom settings, iterating settings, system.debug is for displaying the information, setting name, setting.name value, setting.some field value. Hierarchy custom settings. Purpose. Hierarchy custom settings are used to store data that can vary based on the user profile or role. Suitable for settings that need to be personalized or specific to certain users or groups. Access. They are accessible at different levels of the hierarchy, organization wide, profile or user specific. The system checks for the most specific setting applicable to the current user context. Structure. Similar to the list custom settings, you can define the fields in the custom setting object. Records can be defined at the different levels of the hierarchy, user, profile, organization. Data management. You can set different values for the same setting at the organization, profile and user levels. Salesforce automatically resolves the correct value based on the hierarchy when accessed. Example, storing user preferences or configuration settings that can differ based on the user role or profile, such as page layouts or default values for fields. Accessing a hierarchy custom setting. My hierarchy custom settings user settings equals to my hierarchy custom settings dot get instance in bracket user info dot get user id function. If user setting is not equals to null, then displaying the information of user setting dot some field values. Else my hierarchy custom settings org setting equals to my hierarchy custom settings dot get org defaults function, then displaying the information of org setting dot some field values. Key difference between list and hierarchy custom settings. So in scope, list custom settings, organization wide access, hierarchy custom setting, context specific access, user profile or organization. Use case, list custom settings, global settings, configuration list, hierarchy custom settings, contextual settings, user specific configuration. Access method, list custom settings, get all function, get instance function. Hierarchy custom settings, get instance user id, get org defaults function, get values profile id. Resolution, list custom settings, simple key value access. Hierarchy custom settings, hierarchical resolution based on the context, user profile or organization. Thank you.